Hi guys, hope you're all doing well again this week. I just want to take this opportunity to go over a few assignments that we are going to end our week with. So first I'm going to go to third hour. It looks the same on all the hours. Classwork is where you're going to find everything. You can also always see everything that's upcoming and due over here on the left side. Classwork, and then we're going to look at our first assignment this week, or to end this week, which is how to write an email. So you can see this is the assignment sheet here to explain everything to you. So this is just to better help you if you need to reach out to any teachers during this remote learning. This will help you know how to best email them, okay, so they can get back to you faster. So tips on how to successfully write an email to your teacher. First, make sure the email is really necessary. Okay, a good reason to email your teachers if you need help or clarification on an assignment. A bad reason to email your teachers if you are saying an assignment is too hard. Use the appropriate email address. Always send the email from your school address rather than your personal address. Make sure the subject line is simple and straightforward, perhaps remote learning journal / question, something like that. So I know best, and it doesn't just say no subject. So give me a subject so that way I know what I'm responding to right away. Address your reader with respect. You should always have some kind of introduction in an email. It should be something like, hey, Miss Jones, comma, and then go into your email. Simplify the message as much as possible. It should be quick and efficient, okay? Close with courtesy. You might close by writing thank you for your time, or I look forward to your response before adding thank you and your full name. And then proofread. I don't want to read an email with a bunch of grammatical errors, so make sure you proofread. Okay, your email assignment is here. There's going to be 2 email prompts below. Following the format at the bottom of the page, which is down here, successfully write 2 proper emails. So you've got 2 scenarios here. Okay, put both of the emails, the sample emails for this assignment on one Google Doc, and then you will turn them in back over here. Okay. Next, you've got more journals coming for this week. Some people in third hour have already turned them in. Great job. They're on the same Google Slides as the journals from last week. All you have to do, if it loads, is scroll down, and you will find them down here. I made these ones a little bit more creative versus last week, which were more kind of self-reflective. So just keep that in mind. Go over here to classwork for third hour. Back down. I've done another bingo assignment, so what I want you to do here is on this assignment post a bingo prompt that you have not completed yet. This prompt should be turned in here, and I won't grade it if you share it with me. So take a look back at the bingo assignment, pick one prompt that you haven't done yet, and turn it in by Friday. Please email me as always if you have any questions, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Bye guys.